If Mott Haven in the South Bronx were its own state, we'd be the third highest state in the country with a number of overdoses annually.
With a plan to give hope and healing to Bronxites, Radical Health presents Mott Haven Meet, a community dialogue workshop at the St. Mary's Recreation Center.
Today is the initial conversation and meeting with Mott Haven to discuss the opium usage, the history of that, plans to move forward. I think also a space or an opportunity for folks to share and heal.
Designed as a way to address the issue of drug abuse with a gentle hand, Mott Haven Meets implements holistic practices, focusing on the mental and emotional health of Bronx residents during the opioid epidemic.
If you live in Mott Haven, you see these kind of things every day, and it does something to you, to your body, to your mental, and keeping those things in doesn't help anyone.
The conversation series began when founder Evelise Dino noticed the lack of safe spaces for those affected by the crisis in the South Bronx.
We wanted to create a safe space where we could talk in ways that we don't really have space to do that.
Implementing New Age techniques, the healing session provided mood check-ins and emoji stickers along with educational life-saving demonstrations in an effort to form lasting community connections.
People really look at health very individually, but we actually heal when we act as a collective and as a community. Well, I hope that the people that come to this workshops and sessions also spread their love and compassion and kindness that they've learned here with us into the world.
Based on high fatality rates caused by opioids and other drugs in the Bronx, members of Radical Health hope to see this conversation continue. Reporting for BronxNet, Kib and Aline.